So I've been using VideoGen AI video generator for some months now, and in this review video, I'm going to walk you guys through on everything you need to know about VideoGen. I'm going to give you guys a very honest review here. I will talk about the pros, which are the good things, that's the good sides, the things that I liked about this VideoGen.io, and I'm going to talk about the cons, which are the things that I don't really like, and I feel like you might not like it as well. I'm going to share my personal experience that I had with this VideoGen.io, after which I'm going to show you guys the results. That's the YouTube channel and the Instagram account with the TikTok account that I was able to generate the videos from the use of this VideoGen.io, okay? After which you'll be able to make an informed decision on whether or not VideoGen.io is the correct or the best AI video generator that you're going to use for your business or you growing your account, okay? So now that I've talked about that, if after watching this video you've seen the pros, the cons, my personal experience and the results, and you decide that you want to use this VideoGen.io, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to the official website. That's the link to VideoGen.io official website, okay? If you use that link, you're actually going to go to the official website and you might as well secure some discount off using that very link, okay? So now that I've talked about that, I'm going to get this review started by talking about the pros and the cons, okay? That's the good things and the bad things. But before I do that, I just want to give you guys a brief explanation of what this VideoGen.io is, for those of you who haven't really understand what it is and what it does. So basically, VideoGen.io is a text-to-video and text-to-speech creator that helps you create quality audio and video content in minutes. The platform allows you to import and type text and also generate videos with realistic artificial intelligence voices with over 75 languages and 100 dialects, okay? So that's exactly what this VideoGen.io is. It's an AI video generator that is actually going to help you generate lots of videos. So now that I've talked about that, I'm now going to move on to the point of this video where I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons, okay? And I'm going to start with the pros, which are the good things. That's the things that I liked about this VideoGen.io, and I feel like you might like it as well. After which I'm going to show you guys the cons. That's the things that I don't really like about this VideoGen.io while using it, and I feel like you also might not like it, okay? So for the pros, the first thing that I would like to mention, it has an effective video creation quality, okay? The video creation process, the quality of the video, everything about them is actually of excellence. It's of quality. They are going to provide for you the best out of quality videos that you actually need, okay? I like how they operate. I like everything about them, okay? Their video creation, the videos that I was able to generate from this VideoGen are all quality, all 100% quality, okay? And that's something that I need to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect, okay? So now that I've talked about that, the second pro on my list here that I need to mention here is the fact that VideoGen.io is safe, okay? I've used it for up to 3 months going to 4th month now, and I haven't experienced anything like my account getting banned or me entering into any copyright on my YouTube channel or my Instagram account or any video infringement. I haven't experienced anything like that, and that's unlike other of their competitors out there. Some of them, if you use them, their system might be lagging, their system might be dull, and even if you create a video to upload, you're going to get copyright from that video, okay? But since I'm using this VideoGen.io, I haven't experienced anything like that. The system is actually working very perfectly, okay? I haven't seen any lagging, I haven't seen any default in the video creation process, okay? And that's something that I need to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect, okay, while using this very VideoGen. Aside that, they have a very good customer support services, okay? So this is one of the pros. This is one of the things that I liked about this VideoGen.io. Their customer support is good, active, and of excellence, okay? If you happen to have any questions, send them an email and they are going to reply to you. I used it, and how I operate on my YouTube channel is that I find some softwares that I need and other people need. Then I went ahead to test them out. I do some research about them, I test them out, and I give them some period of time. And I come here on my YouTube channel to actually show you guys exactly what you're supposed to get. Because for you to watch this video, it means that you're halfway trying to pay for this very VideoGen, of paying for any software, and you want to see the review of someone that I've actually used it, okay? So I've used this VideoGen, and I can tell you that on the process of using them, I usually test their customer support to know how they operate, and I can tell you that their customer support services is very good, okay? And that's something that I need to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect while using this VideoGen.io. So now that I've talked about that, the next pro on my list here that I liked about this VideoGen is the fact that they have a very friendly user interface, okay? Their interface, their dashboard, their mode of operation is very simple and easy for you to understand. Even if you're a newbie, a beginner in the internet space, or a beginner in that site, you're actually going to find it very easy for you to navigate and operate. And that's something that I liked about this VideoGen.io. Aside that, they have a free trial. Okay, this free trial gives you the ability, the upper hand for you to use it. If you don't like it, you're just going to back off, and no credit card is being required in this free trial. And that's something that I liked about this VideoGen, and I want to mention it here so just you know. Okay, aside the free trial, their command prompt is actually very good. You get to give them any command of your choice and they are going to do it perfectly. If the volume of the video that they generated is very high, you can tell them to reduce it by 80%, 90%, and they're going to do that for you. And that's something that I liked about them. If you want to change it from a male to female voice, you can tell them and they're going to do that for you. Okay, if you want to change it to any language, whether old or matured or young voice, you can do that to any language. And that's something that I liked about this VideoGen.io. Okay, aside that, the last but not the least pro on my list here that I need to mention here that comes with you using this VideoGen is the fact that you can clone your own voice. Okay, but if you don't like your own voice, they have some voices there. They have some American, UK, Africa, Hindi, that's Indian, Asian voice, Chinese, anyone, and they are human-like. Okay, their voice is almost the same thing with human, but they are AI. But you can actually clone your own voice and use it to generate any video of your choice, and that's something that I liked about this VideoGen.io. So now that I've talked about that, I'm now going to move on to the point of this video where I'm going to talk about the cons. That's the things that I don't really like about this VideoGen.io, and I feel like you might not like it as well. Okay, so about the cons, the first thing that I don't really like about this video is the fact that you're going to be dependent on AI. Okay, you're going to be dependent on AI generated content, just as the name requires. IO, an AI video generator, everything about them is AI. Everything, how they operate, their mode of operation is AI, but you can actually do some changes there. I don't really see that as an issue. Okay, and that's something that I need to mention here. You can give them any prompt command and they're going to do according to what you instructed them to do, and that's something that I liked about them. The next con on my list is the fact that they don't have any guide nor tutorial video on their site that they're going to use to guide you or give you an overview of how the site operates. But that's not really an issue because I'm here to guide you guys. I'm actually here to walk you guys through on everything you need to know about this VideoGen, and I'm doing that in this review video. Okay, so the last but not the least con on my list here that I need to mention here is the fact that there are some fakes out there. All of these AI video generators actually suffers from it. There are some fake websites designed or built to scam people that are not that wise or that are not that conscious in the internet space, in the sense that you might misplace it to another site, VideoGen.io. You might misplace it with VideoGen.ai or .com, and they're going to use it to scam you. So my advice, my recommendation for you to do that is go to your browser, search for www.videogen.io, and you're going to see them. Or better still, use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to the official website. That's the link to their site. With that link, you're going to go to their site in a very much easier and safer for you. Okay, the link is going to be down below in the comment section and also in the description of this video. Okay, so go check it out. So aside that, now that I've talked about the pros, that I've talked about the cons, I'm now going to share my personal experience to you guys, after which I'm going to show you guys the results of the YouTube channel and the Instagram account with the TikTok account that I tested this VideoGen.io on. So about my experience, I first heard of it on a blog post while I was searching for AI video generators that I'm going to use to generate the videos that I'm going to use to grow my account and brand. So I saw in video.io, which I've already done a review on that. You can actually go see it up here on the screen. And I saw VideoGen, I saw Fliki.ai, and I decided to test out all of them. So you can actually go to my YouTube channel, check out everything. I have the videos of them there. So about the VideoGen, I saw them. I did some deeper research, over the top research concerning me, and after all said and done, I was convinced enough to use them. Okay, so coming to my YouTube channel, up here on the screen was my YouTube channel before I started generating AI videos with this VideoGen. Remember I said I've used it for 3 months now, going to 4th month. This month is the 4th month, and this month haven't ended. Okay, so I don't know the time that you're actually watching me from here, but this is the 4th month. You are going to see here that up here on the screen is 1,100 subscribers that you're seeing up here on the screen. Okay, that was my YouTube channel, that was my subscribers before I started using this VideoGen to generate my videos, because my videos is all about AI generated content. Okay, this is the 4th month of me using it. I was able to get to this 10,700 subscribers that you're seeing up here on the screen. If you check the video or you go check the channel out, you're going to see that everything on the channel is AI generated. So that's how I was able to grow my account. I started posting, and the videos that I'm actually posting is of quality. What I do here was I get some scripts, I edit them, I write them, I go to this VideoGen.io, I paste them inside there and they generate quality videos for me. Okay, they even add some things that makes it to be very, very, very much interesting, and that's something that I liked about them. So coming to my Instagram account, this was my Instagram account before I started using this video gen. You're going to see that this account is at 54 followers. Okay, this is 54 followers before I started using this account. After the 4th month of me using this account, I was able to get to 30,200 followers, and you're going to be seeing that up here on the screen. It's mostly Instagram reels, Instagram videos that I used to generate those my audience and the followers that you're seeing up here on the screen. Okay, so that was how I was able to grow Instagram account with the help of this VideoGen.io. So lastly is my TikTok account. Okay, after testing it on my YouTube channel, testing it on my Instagram account, up here on the screen was my TikTok account before I started using this video gen. You're going to see that I'm at 102 followers. Okay, I'm already on TikTok. I've already started posting things on TikTok. Okay, because I get my Instagram reels, I post it on Instagram, and I come again to do it on TikTok. So after the 2 months of me using this video gen, remember I was at 240 followers here. Right now, 2 months of me using this video gen, I'm at 10,222 followers, and you're going to be seeing that up here on the screen. Okay, that's my TikTok account at the 2nd month of me using it. You are going to know that TikTok is actually very, very way good in giving you followers, engagement, once you are doing what people actually views or what people like. Okay, or what people are paying attention to. So guys, that was my results. That's how I was able to grow my account. Those videos that you're seeing there is AI generated videos, and I'm still booming, I'm still posting, and I'm still doing all the things that I'm doing with them. For my YouTube channel, I used to make money off AdSense accounts. Maybe later on I will navigate how I'm going to do that, how I'm going to be making money off it. Okay, like selling some ebook, doing some affiliate marketing on it. That's it. So guys, when it comes to my final recommendation, when it comes to whether or not I recommend this video gen, yes, I recommend video gen 100%. Okay, VideoGen.io works. It's a safe site, it delivers, and I'm using it up to today. Okay, if after watching this video you've seen the pros, the cons, my personal experience, and the results, and you decide that you want to use this video gen, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. That's the link to video gen official website, and if you use that link, you're also going to secure some discount. And that I'm talking about it, the first time that I paid for video gen, I was able to get it on a discounted price with that very link, and that's me here sharing the same link to you guys. Okay guys, I'm going to call this a full review here. If you found this video very useful and helpful, do leave me a like in this video, and I'm going to appreciate that. Okay, if you happen to have any question pertaining to this video gen.io, leave me a question down below in the comment section, and I'm going to answer all the questions. I'm going to call this a full review here. Do have a nice day. Peace out.